Biakamal guas me bana ngichan wale katinen konkati. Tog English kana tok nuari la Thok Nath kana content bana ngi guas mene. Ben akwen ka diye kel ko buran be kulu shubloide. Bana kulu we kamado dien ba kwen ka diye yo bu kon kulu we yam. Guri jagwa. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Malude. Shiba Kamal. Shiba Kamal. Shiba Kamal. Or you can use Shaba Kamal. Shaba Kamal. These two phrases, they are different. The first one is singular, the second one is plural. Menyamame is singular raja kel. Rodaneme Shaba Kamal raja kero. Good morning. Shiba Kamal. Shaba Kamal. Let's continue. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Meaning Shibut Kamal. Shibut Kamal. Shibut Kamal. Or you can use Shabut Kamal. Shabut Kamal. Shibut Kamal is singular. Shabut Kamal is plural. Shibut Kamal raja karamkel. Shabut Kamal raja kanera wunyam. Jelot kamake good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Mulot ka gwasame. Rnodi. Chitian Kamal. Chitian Kamal. Chitian Kamal. Or you can use Shatian Kamal. Shatian Kamal. Chitian Kamal is for singular. Shatian Kamal is for plural. Together. Chitian Kamal ramkel. Shatian Kamal nera winyam. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Malude. Nini Kamal. Nini Kamal. Nini Kamal. Or you can use Nena Kamal. Nena Kamal. Nena Kamal. Nini Kamal is used for singular. Nena Kamal, it is used for plural. Nina Kamal raja karamkel. Nena Kamal raja kanera wunyam. Mungwana. Dirke jogono Nena Kamal. Me ramkel bi jogode. Nini Kamal. Goodbye. 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 Lunodi. Tene Kamal. Tene Kamal. Tene Kamal. Or you can use Taya Kamal. Taya Kamal. Taya Kamal. There's difference between Tene Kamal and Taya Kamal. Tene Kamal is used for singular and Taya Kamal it is used for plural. Tene Kamal raja karamkel, Taya Kamal raja kanero wunyam. No. Bye. 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 Jelly Kamal. Jelly Kamal. Jelly Kamal. Or you can use Jala Kamal. Jala Kamal. Jala Kamal. Jelly Kamal for singular. Jala Kamal for plural. How are you? 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 Jin tedi. Jin tedi ni. Or jin tedi keji. Kia malabo. Jin tedi ni. Jin tedi ni. Jin tedi ni. Or you can say Yena tedi ni. Yena tedi ni. But in simple way of knowing the meaning of how are you. How are you mean just male. Mal, or you can use all these two alternative in other ways. But how are you? It mean male or tedi keji. Tedi keji sometimes it refer to how is it going. Wedi keji, tedi keji, how is it going? Hi, hi mean male. Hi, 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 male. Please follow for more.